What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Today we have one box of 2016-17 Immaculate basketball. This is the first off the line. In this box you get one base, two jerseys, three autos, and I guess an extra hit. It's a base parallel numbered 2-5. So super excited about this high-end product. Rainey, ready to rip into this?
Rip it up.
See what we got here. Here's our one box. Should be 7 cards in there.
Hopefully we can get the jump on the prism.
Oh no, that would be nasty. All right, see if we can set it up like this right here. All right, first card, numbered to 35, Kemba Walker.
Cool looking card.
Nice little parallel. Next card, we got a number to 99, Jim Jones.
What?
I don't know. I'd say the Cavs. Is he on the Cavs right now? Surely not. No, he's an older player. Okay. The Cavs could probably use him right now, though.
You're right.
All right. Next card, numbered to 25. We got a Dwight Howard. Got an number to 99, Danny Green. The standard jersey card. Look at this guy.
No.
Number to 25, Detlef Shrimp. We got a Jordan Clarkson premium patch autographs. Those are sick looking cards for the Lakers. And our number to 5 is Andrew Luck. Nikola Mirotic. For the Chicago Bulls.
Luck on the mind.
Yeah. Well, that does it for the video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you with more videos very, very soon. So until next time, y'all keep ripping.